That's the motto. Throw back with no chaser, with no trouble. Popping that moe, baby, let's make some bubbles. Puffing on that gelato. Wanna be seeing double. Gotta do what you gotta believe it. We ain't got no plans to leave it. Tell all of your friends to be here. We ain't gonna sleep all weekend. Oh, you know, that's the motto. Drop a few bills and pop a few champagne bottles. Throwing that money like you just won the lotto. We've been up all damn summer, making that bread and butter. Tell me, did I just stutter? That's the motto. Drop a few bills and pop a few champagne bottles. Throwing that money like you just won the lotto.
Hi, Sammy. Oh, Trader.
Bread and butter. Tell me, did I just stutter? That's the motto. That's the motto.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. We are back. It's a new week. If your trading sucked last week, it is a brand new week, so we get to start fresh. And if your trading was fantastic last week, we get to do it again and make some more money. It is November 17th. Good morning, Sam. Good morning, Pro Trader. Good morning, Rose. Rose is in the house. K Futures. What up, ladies? Good morning, Sire. Mary Times Trader. Good morning. I love Chuck Bros. Tris Wafa. Good morning. Please tell Uncle Bugatti good morning. I don't know if he was streaming this morning. Thank you, Pro Trader. Wishing you a rocking profitable, that word is really hard for me to say, profitable week. Good morning, KJ. Happy kids, good morning. We have a special day today. We are going to do a live cash giveaway through PayPal. So you must have PayPal in order to participate in the giveaway. I am going to do it on live. We haven't done one yet together as far as like a live cash giveaway. We've done the account giveaways. So this is something special, our very first one together. Honestly, like all these firsts that we experienced together in our like smaller group, I'm just cherishing because I know it won't always be like this for all of us. Like as the channel keeps growing, it'll get bigger, which is a good thing. Like that is what we want. We want to grow our community. And I know that like it'll feel a little bit different, right? So this is really special to me for us to experience these first things together. So I'm going to turn off the music. Okay. Let's take a look. So you do have to have PayPal. So if you don't have PayPal, go and sign up right now or early this morning because I think we will do the giveaway around like 7:30ish around there. So the show goes until 7:40 Central Time. So it's 40 minutes. And the last 10 minutes, it goes by so fast. If you're new to the channel, why is the show only 40 minutes? Because I have to get ready quick to hop onto the My Funded Futures stream, which on that stream, you guys, I'm going to take out a live withdrawal request on the brand new My Funded Futures 50K scale with the rapid add-on promo. That's the promo where you can get the daily payouts. So I'll be requesting $1,900 this morning. So it's going to be so fun. Join me on the My Funded Futures stream if you're around and if you want to see that. I'm not sure what time I'll do it at, but I am on that show from 9 Eastern Standard Time until, wait, is that right? Oh, the time changes. Okay. I'm on that show from 8 Central Time till 9:30 Central Time. So what time is that? That's 9 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. I know, I need more coffee. Yes, thank you, you guys. Thank you so much. I am excited to request that because it's the new promo and the daily payouts. I am working on trying to fill up all those 5 spots with the My Funded Futures so we can have 5 of the sim funded. Please do keep using code Terri every time you check out with My Funded Futures, with Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, and also Trade Day. And I do receive a small commission from that. Thank you so much for helping to support the channel. I am reinvesting into our little baby channel that keeps growing. I wanted to show you the camera, the upgraded camera that I got. So this is a new memory card. I think you can see this. And then, so we upgraded the camera once already from the laptop camera, but it's still not like the level that we want, right? So we got to just keep leveling up. And here is the new upgraded Sony. So I'll have to plug this in, work on making it work. This is the digital camera, the ZV-1F, and it's for vloggers and content creators. So we will keep making the channel better and better. And all of you listening, watching, subscribers, supporters, cheerleaders, you're all making this possible. So thank you so much for being here and spending your mornings with me. Let's take a look at the markets. Good morning, Smoke. Yeah, right. NQ Trend Sniper says great session overnight. I know. Who made some money trading Globex and or London? Type in 1 if you made some money. I did, and I also lost some accounts, so I did both. The power of rotating accounts, it is a skill. That habit of copy trading, I still haven't quite kicked yet. Good morning. Yes, good morning, Alfred. Alfred, superstar, celebrity Alfred. I can't wait to have Alfred back on to trade with us. Okay, good morning, Tony, Joyce, Albert. And thank you, whoever just subscribed. I think every time I hear those bells, it means someone just subscribed live. So the levels, this is VWAP. And I did hit 50% in a few evals with my funded futures with that rapid add-on promo. So I am feeling pretty good this morning. I did lose my Lucid accounts trading this one. This at Globex at the open. So I didn't have very much drawdown left because I was not a very good girl last week. That one day I was like, oh yeah, I hit max DLL. So I think it was on Friday, Thursday, something like that. So this was the Globex open, and this was a big ass candle. So this high was 144, the low was 25. So what? That was almost 120 points in 5 minutes at the Globex open. So I was thinking that we would go long on the open, and I got smoked on that. So I did lose some accounts on that, but I did catch this bounce coming back. So I did make profits in some other accounts and in some evals. So that was good. Congratulations if anyone caught this long, because during Globex and during London, we never went back to test that low. We went to go make new highs, and then here we are. This is 3 o'clock my time, which is 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So London market pretty much just has been trending down since the opening of London. And I did get some of this going down, some of it going up too. Yes, so here we are. Let's take a look at the hourly together. This is something. This is the hourly candle. You know, of course, when I woke up and I saw this, I was like, dang it, I wish I caught this short up here. But it's okay. It is looking like we want to perhaps fill this area. So this was that massive New York V shaped just rally during New York. I don't know if you guys remember, but on Friday during New York hours, we had one red candle here. This is the opening of New York. And then it just took off like a banshee. And that was the direction, the overall direction of New York was up. Yeah, we did not at all come and test this low. Not once the open happened. Linda Raschke, what I learned from one of the interviews that she was in is if the first 30 minutes of New York opens and we don't even come to test this low in the very beginning, then it is a sign that it could be a possible trend day in that direction. And that's pretty much what happened, except let's see, how did it close? It closed pretty close to VWAP, but still the majority of the direction was going straight up. So that open is really important. Does it always work? No, nothing is 100%, right? But it can give you a feel for the market. Some people look at the first 5 minutes. So some people just look at this to give them kind of a feel for the market. But as you can see here, those people got stepped out and got faked out. That also happens. Hence why I think rotating accounts is such a skill. Okay, so here we are. We are making, shoot, we kind of missed this inside bar break on the low side. So now we are at break even. It did fill the gap price. Ooh, I'm gonna hop in short here. I'm gonna put a stop here. And let's see, this isn't an eval. So, some overnight news. I did hear there is some rumbling with the repo market. I don't know if you guys know anything about the repo market. It has to do with the Federal Reserve. There is this market where banks can go. Okay, the repo market, where banks can borrow money from the Federal Reserve and they use that money to go out and lend, basically. And they use collateral, like I'm assuming collateral to a bank would be like the deposits and that kind of thing. So I did hear some rumblings that it's been super volatile in that market. And that is a very important market because it does affect the rest of the markets. So kind of something to be aware of. Whenever they start talking about the repo market and they start talking about volatility, my ears are like, ooh, what is going on? So something to kind of keep in the back of your mind as far as your trading today. It could be very volatile. And then we also have NVIDIA. NVIDIA is reporting earnings on Wednesday. I believe after the bell, that is coming. And I also heard a rumor that, oh, here we go. Let's go. I also heard a rumor that we're going to have non-farm payrolls on Thursday. So that's exciting. Woo! Yes. Awesome. 420 bucks, I believe. Okay. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. I think my graphics card is all screwed up. Do you see this? This happens sometimes. Look at this. Okay. This computer is like that little micro computer I bought. It was like $300. It was just the computer. It was little. Pine Tree Trader actually got it first. And I don't know, maybe it was $400, but it has 32 RAM. And my old laptop, which is dated now, it's about 5 years old, it only had 8 RAM. And as you can imagine, running all of everything, it just would not quite work for streaming. So I did upgrade to this, but now I'm not sure. I've been using this for, I don't know, maybe 2 months now. Yeah, I'm just noticing, it's been a few days now, it's happened to me. But Pine has said he hasn't experienced that. My laptop has an NVIDIA graphics card. This one, I don't know what kind of graphics card it is. It's not a fancy graphics card. Oh my God, Tony. Yes, Tony passed your eval on Friday. Let's go. Confetti for Tony. Congratulations, my friend. Good morning, 007, Vanessa. Saturday. Coach Fred, good morning, my friend. I know, I love Linda. I absolutely love her. If there's only one trader in the entire world that I could meet, and just that one trader, it would be Linda Rashke. I'd love to meet with her and to sit down with her and have lunch or dinner and just learn from her, talk to her, become friends. Oh, also Tom Hogart. I'd love to meet Tom Hogart. Who would you guys like to meet? Yes, James, there is a giveaway. Thank you for bringing it up. We're going to do it in about 15 minutes. Everyone, go get a PayPal account if you don't have one. I'm sorry if your country cannot use PayPal. That sucks. But it's the only way that I'm able to send money. So we are going to do a $100 cash giveaway through PayPal in about 15 minutes for everyone that's watching. I am going to, I'll be right back. I just need to make sure a few things for the giveaway. Be right back. Ethan. I know I did most of my makeup ahead of time. It's just like so much for us to talk about. It's actually really hard for me to do makeup and talk and trade and do everything. Okay, I'll be right back. Oops. Oh shoot. Hey, Adrian, I know. I hope I didn't get coffee on my mic. I spilled it on my hand. I think the mic is okay. I spilled an entire cup of coffee right before we went live on My Funded Futures one time. It was a full glass. I went to go touch my mouse and the cup of coffee was right behind it or something. And then it accidentally tipped it over. The entire glass just went all over the table right as we were about to go live. And then my cell phone was right next to it. And yeah, it was kind of a disaster. It was in the beginning of my adventures streaming with them. I was like, dang it. Good morning, Adrian. Adrian says it happened to me a few times before. I was about to go live, then split coffee. Oh no, you spit coffee all over your keyboard? Oh, you spilled. I was going to say, it must have been a really funny laugh. So we did book more profits together. That is awesome. Everyone, Adrian, do you have a PayPal account? Because we are going to give away $100. I have my PayPal queued up. And I don't know if you guys follow me on X, but if you don't, my handle is Terri Trades 100 on X. Also on Instagram, and then also on TikTok. But on X is kind of where I spend a lot of time. We did do a $100 cash giveaway on X, and that was congratulations to Durand. And I did make that announcement that closed on Sunday. Oh no, Adrian, you said that's a sign that I should not trade that day, but I already traded. So does that mean it's a sign I should like not trade anymore? Yes, good luck, Wafa. Good luck, everyone. Wafa's so positive. You're awesome. I love your positive energy. Oh, that's sweet, Adrienne. Yes, you know what? Everyone participate, even if you are an influencer and or streamer, because I think it's just fun. It's fun to enter giveaways. Yes, good luck, everyone. So let's do it at 7:30. So what I'm going to do, I was thinking about like, how are we gonna do it? I did get some feedback that doing the Google Sheets, someone said on my X, they said, oh, it would be so much more fun if you showed us, like, the thing. It would be so much more fun. But the problem with that is like you can see people's emails, which I know I could like hide, but then it's just not as much fun. And I was like, okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Because I also need your PayPal information in so that I can send it to you. And I'm sure you don't want everyone to see your PayPal information. So I think I figured it out. I did hear that Pine Tree Trader, he filled in for Ash Trades last Friday on My Funded Futures. He did say that he gave away $150,000. I think it might have been a pro eval on the show, and courtesy of My Funded Futures. Thank you so much. And he said what he did was to pick a random person, he just went into the chat and I think he typed now, and then it's like the person above him, which I love that idea because it does get people to participate that might not normally participate. I encourage everyone to participate when you're listening to streams because that's how we meet new friends, right? And trading alone completely sucks. And I want everyone to enjoy the journey as you're progressing. It does take time. So that's why I love to encourage participating. So exactly, great question, Rose. So how do we enter the giveaway? So in 10 minutes, I'm going to ask everyone to type in, let's see, we should do W. Let's manifest winning. I'll have everyone type in W into the chat and you can type it quickly as many times as you want. You guys can just spam the chat. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to randomly type in above me is the winner. And then my message will go into the chat and whoever's name appears above mine will win the $100 paid via PayPal. Yes, so let's manifest together, everyone. We don't have to start now, but let's manifest now. But yeah, so at 7:30, we will start that and let's all manifest winning. I love manifesting. I used to do it all the time, like all the time when I was in my late teens, like early 20s. And I sweared by it. I'm like, oh my God, anything I want, I just manifest. And there is a science behind it, like our psychology will subconsciously attract and make decisions based on the things that we truly believe. It's either going to happen or just like our entire belief system. And like I manifested lots of things and they all kind of came true. It's not like magical thinking, like I said, like, there is psychology behind it. And then I don't know what happened, guys. I went through a period in my life where I just like, I don't know, I just lost faith. And I think I just felt, I'm not sure exactly what happened. Maybe it was like adulting. I don't know, but I just stopped like really trying to create something like bigger, having like a purpose. I guess in a way, I kind of lost my purpose in life. And I will say, I think we all need purpose. It makes life so much better. We have to have something to look forward to, something to work towards. I think if we're just idle, like that's how we can slip into sadness and feeling, like not motivated. Hey, Corey. Good morning, Corey, the phone trader. Let's go. Yes. Rose says, let's manifest a green day today. Corey, did you hear about the giveaway that I'm going to do in 7 minutes? Make sure you have PayPal, Corey. If you don't have it, make sure you get it on your phone. I agree. Let's manifest the green. It's going to be a green day. It's going to be an awesome day. Corey, I'm also going to request live on my funded futures $1,900 on the new promo account with my funded futures that I've been trading. It is daily payout eligible. So we can do that together. Oh wait, let me see here. Let's go here. I did make a video. I wonder if you can see it on here. Okay, just go to my YouTube after the stream. I did make a video explaining everything as far as the rules, because people are like, oh, I want to know more about it. How do I get daily payouts from my funded futures? Oh, can you hear this? Oh, I don't think you can see it. Oh, that's a bummer. You can hear it, but you can't see it. That's kind of lame. That's okay. Yes, thank you, Coach Fred. Coach Fred says, I love the honest talk. Let's all manifest loudly. Yes, let's go. Let's go. What do you guys want to manifest this week? Share with me. I want to manifest sticking to a DLL, like my own set DLL. I do want to manifest that. And I want to manifest winning, obviously. But I know that not sticking to a personal DLL that's reasonable is kind of the major weak spot in my trading that I know I have to conquer if I want to become, that $1 million trader that I want to become, that I know I can become. So that is like the speed bump in my game. Yeah, let me know what you would like to manifest this week. Put it out there. Put it out there. Drop it in chat. Yay! Alfred says manifesting payouts for all here. I love that. Manifesting payouts for everyone. Everyone, all of us. Adrian says, I want to make sure I stick to my trading plan. I've been struggling with that lately. Manifesting, sticking with your plan. So a trick with manifesting is we want to always manifest the positives. So we don't want to manifest the negative. So I like what you said, Adrian, how you said, I want to make sure I stick to my trading plan. So what you're picturing, what you're manifesting is sticking to your trading plan. Exactly. Yeah. Baby steps, 100%. We can't run a marathon in a day. Like we have to train for it, right? So it's not going to happen overnight. Definitely. Nate is manifesting a payout so I can pay rent. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Nate. Medhi, for now, 100 from Terri. Good luck, Medhi. Coach Fred is manifesting less impulsive and more tactical trading for me. So Coach Fred, it sounds like you want to manifest strategic, well-planned, well-executed trading. Ethan says, Adrienne Chong, it's always hard when you go on a dry spell. Yeah, 100%. I've been there. Like, it makes you question everything. It makes you question, like, becoming a trader, being a trader. It makes you question, like, can I trade at all? Can this really work? Oh, man. They're brutal, those dry spells. it does change as long as you keep working at your game. And from what I have learned from watching so many interviews, from talking to traders, is you have to survive that learning curve, because this is a performance sport. And by doing it, that's how we learn and how we change and improve. But we have to survive that, right? Like survive it financially. And so it's like, doing what you need to do in order to survive it, and emotionally too, honestly, because it can feel devastating losing a bunch of money. Yeah, so survival is definitely the game. Good morning, Riff Kids says, I think manifesting goes hand in hand with faith or believing. Oh, so interesting. That makes a lot of sense, Rift. I think like lately I've been kind of exploring maybe faith, belief more. And when I was sharing with you guys earlier, when I stopped manifesting, the two kind of did stop at the same time. That could be. Oh, James, you want to manifest seeing your girlfriend? Aw. I manifest lots of love for you, however that may appear. Good morning, King D Trading. What is up? Michas. Okay, everyone, here we go. Let's do the giveaway. You have to have PayPal to participate in this. So everyone type in W, and you can spam it all you want. And then what I'm going to do after, I don't know, so much time, I will type in winner above me wins the $100. I'll just say winner above me wins for short. And then I have my PayPal queued up on my phone. And what I'll do is the winner, I'll have you email me, and I'll have you type in a number, like a 3-digit number. Like let's say you pick like 500. You'll email me some random number into my email, and then I will have you come into chat and do the exact same number. That way I know it's really you that sent me that email. And I'll have you send me your PayPal information, and then I will send you the monies. All right, let's go, everyone. I'm going to type in W for fun. Everyone, let's go. Good luck, family, our morning crew. Okay, here we go. I'm going to type now. Okay. Winner above me wins. Okay, manifest. Here we go. I'm hitting enter. Winner above me wins. Kimberly, you won. Kimberly, win. Congratulations. Everyone congratulate Kimberly. You won, my friend. I will pin my email. And then please email me a random 3-digit number. Okay, Terri Trades 100 at gmail.com. Terri Trades 100 at gmail.com. Okay, I will pin it. Congratulations, Kimberly. Thank you, everyone, for participating. We'll do more giveaways for sure as the channel keeps growing, as the business keeps growing, and as I keep getting more payouts, because like it's good, it's fun to share. Yes, Kimberly, please email me right now if you can, a 3-digit code, and then also your PayPal account, whether it's your email or your phone number, whatever it's connected to, and then I'll send you over the monies. That was fun. Oh, one day, wouldn't it be so cool to like give away like $1,000 on stream together? One day. That would be so fun. Congrats, Kimberly. You're very welcome. Thank you, everyone, for participating. We'll have more of those. And make sure you subscribe and like, as always. I know I really should make everyone be a subscriber before you can enter, which we will. We will work that out. Oh my God, look at this. So market, we are trading pretty close to this overnight low of day here. This is the hourly chart. So ever since London opened, what a nice move in London. My goodness. This is a 3 a.m. 4 Eastern Standard Time candle. It's just been in one direction on the hourly. So anyone who trades London exclusively, congratulations if you cut that short. Yeah, I think we'll wait because I want to wrap this giveaway up for Kimberly. Let's see if she's emailed me yet. Well, I'll be around, Kimberly, this morning. But I'd love to get this to you before we wrap up stream. Yeah, unfortunately, you know, there are people who try and scam the giveaway. So that's why I'm asking people to go over there to my email and then to come back here and tell me your number. Oh, awesome. Kimberly says, I just sent you an email. Let me check. Hey! Okay, so tell me your the 3-digit number you put in my email, Kimberly, in chat, please. Yes, Wafa. Tony is asking, what are my thoughts on New York Open? You know, that repo news that I mentioned earlier, I'm kind of like wondering if New York isn't going to respond so well to it. It could be a bear day today, but we do have NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday. Sometimes with earnings, sometimes people are, if they're expecting it to be stellar, they'll buy up into it. So I'm really not sure, honestly, Tony. I think I'll have to wait and see like how it opens. So we did trade back to yesterday's VWAP, and look at this. We are about to take out this 5-minute low from Globex. This is the Globex candle. The low is 25,025, and then the low overnight is 25,022. I think if we take out that Globex low, there's a lot of inventory here. So it could be a nice short setup. This is the hourly chart. Perhaps go in and fill in some of this. This is the rip higher during New York on Friday. Yeah, I don't need a trade right now, so I wouldn't hop into this short, but it is looking juicy. It's looking juicy, like it could trade lower. Okay. Oh, yay, Kimberly. Yes. Okay, I am gonna send you the monies, my friend. Here we go. One sec, everyone. Okay. Facial recognition. I was playing with Sora yesterday. Has anyone played with Sora? Sora 2? It made videos that like looked like me. It was kind of wild. It was good. It's not quite there yet, but it was pretty good. Okay, let's pay. Kimberly. Okay, this is where you check names like 3 times before you send money. I know someone that sent a few thousand over, and it was sent to the wrong person, and that person did not give the money back, even though they knew it did not belong to them. And like once it's gone, it's gone. So that was not cool. Okay, Kimberly. Okay, I double checked. Is this the right person? Yes, I believe so. I double checked, triple checked. Hit next. I think it's so cool how we can just instantly send money. Here we go. Next. Send. Sent. We'll let Kimberly know. Kimberly, let me know in chat if you got the monies. Let's go. I do love monies in cash because you can do whatever you want with it, right? Like you can go buy any account you want. You can go get your nails done. You can go buy a sandwich, anything you want to do. I love it. Winning. You guys are so awesome. Thank you for making it so great. Kimberly, let us know. Did you get the monies? Okay, I only have, you guys are awesome. Thank you, Joyce, Vanessa. Let's go. Everyone have a great day. Have a green day. And Kimberly, I will email you back also. Thank you so much for participating today. I'll see you tomorrow, bright and early, same time. Yay! Kimberly got it. Awesome. Bye, guys.